How to see last seen on WhatsApp even if hidden. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily see last seen on WhatsApp. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account. And if I want to see this person's last seen, as you can see here at the top, he or she was last seen today at certain time over here. But if the person hasn't enabled the particular option to show their last seen to everyone or to their friends, then you can't see it either. So in that case you might as well use a third party application, but I don't suggest that because most of them doesn't work. So in case if you are wondering about the settings which will show the last seen of you and your friends to everyone, it is here inside your privacy. So as you can see here, here it is the option called last seen and online. So it's basically saying who can see my last seen. So if the person who are your friends has enabled this option to everyone or my contacts, then you must be available to see it's their last seen. So if they have set it to like nobody or some exception, then you cannot see that. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.